Here is a look at these storage containers. They hold a ton of stuff and they're very secure. Now, these were sent to me from the seller to do a review, and I'm so glad they did because I actually have a lot of little knickknacks and things like that that are perfect to go in containers like this. So let me show it to you. It has the little lock, so it is going to be secure whenever you are done filling it up. And then on the inside, you have your little label stickers that's perfect for different things. And then you have all of these little unique boxes inside. So let me take one of these out. So here is a look at it. So this is going to be perfect for if you collect beads and maybe you make jewelry. They're tiny little boxes here. And again, they're very secure, very sturdy little boxes. And you don't have to use the boxes in there if you don't want to. The container itself is good to store a lot of stuff. But this is going to be perfect for somebody who has beads and they want to be able to store the beads somewhere. This is also a really good travel box. It's going to be holding a ton of different things. So you'll have the great little labels to go on all of these, but this is going to be really good for a ton of different things. Maybe you do crafts, maybe you make jewelry, maybe you want to put some makeup in here. I do think this would hold like an eyeshadow or maybe some of your sponges. That's a good size for that. And let's not forget all of the fishermen out there. If you have lures, these would be great to store in there. So there's a lot of different options for you. And once you're done, you just close it up, snap it, and now you have a really secure, easy to carry around portable box. So here's a closer look at the little bins. Also, if you do the diamond art, this would be absolutely perfect for that, because these are a great size for that kind of thing. But also, just to show you a few things that can fit in here, if you collect coins, you can hold quite a bit of coins in there. You can also put these bobby pins. So these are like the everyday bobby pins that women use. They do fit in there, as well as little standard clips. You can see, so I can fit a lot more in each one. You can also put jewelry in here. They're perfect for earrings, rings, things like that. And then I have a scrunchie as well, just to kind of show you I was able to get that in there. So a lot of different options here. Maybe you do flower art, you could put petals. I mean, there's so many different choices for these, but I love the way they look and I like the quality, and overall super thrilled with how many actually fit in here as well.